I'm Cindy Bethel, an associate professor at Mississippi State University, and I'm researching 3 different areas of using robots with law enforcement. So the first of those application areas is a therapeutic dog that we call Therabot. Therabot's used with children who've gone through trauma or women who've gone through domestic violence or abuse of some type. We can also look at it using it for soldiers returning from battlefield and with post-traumatic stress disorders. So we're basically using it for comfort and support during therapy and for home therapy practice. And so we designed it based on a study. We've gone through talking to clinicians and past survivors to be able to see what form it should be, and it was the form of a beagle was the most preferred form. So the next area that we're looking at is using robots to gather sensitive information from children. And so we're using these robots. They're finding that the children are more comfortable talking with a robot than an adult authority figure on things that have happened that may not have been a good thing for them. So like in bullying or traumatic abuse, that type of thing. So they trust the robot. They feel that it doesn't have judgment when they're interacting with it. And they feel that the robot is self-contained, which is ethically we're having some challenges with, but we need to look at. And so we're finding that the children are more comfortable sharing information with a robot versus a human. And so we're also finding that when misinformation is presented by a robot, it does not affect their memory, whereas if a human presents the same misinformation, it does. So that's something that we need to investigate further. And then the last application that we're looking at is using robots to go into a scene before the officers do to gather information, to find out what's inside, what are they encountering, and that type of thing, so that we can be able to have law enforcement officers have better information and make better decisions, which will hopefully save officers' lives and also save civilian lives by having that information ahead of time.